This is Indris Rao, head of Psyche Word IAS, and I'm a professor of psychology. I have been guided many aspirants of UPSC, UGC, EVGC in the various organizations recent 15 years. I'm coming to the topic now, how we should prepare UPSC. So there is certain basic rule for the preparing of UPSC. 4 basic cardinal rule for the preparation of UPSC. If you will see the any previous toppers, what they have followed. First, they followed the rule of making a good notes. A good notes meaning not that copy kar lo sirf. Good notes is not meaning that there is a X topper and should copy to them. That is their knowledge, their understanding. You should develop your knowledge, understanding. You should work according to your aptitudes. So that it is important, make a good notes. How? By your understanding. अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग का इस्तेमाल करें और एक अच्छे नोट्स को तैयार करें. अंडरस्टैंडिंग. So develop a good notes by using your understanding. Understanding. By using your understanding. And the second thing is doing revision. Doing revision is also very important. Why I am saying revision is important? Because there is a psychologist name is Spearman. Spearman said there is a G intelligence and S intelligence, general intelligence and specific intelligence. So in your life, in your competitive exam, G intelligence is more important. और G intelligence का मतलब क्या? हमारे सिलेबस में 1000 मार्क तो GS का है. So G intelligence, general intelligence वैसे रिक्वायर्ड चाहिए. And specific intelligence is that optional subject your optional subjects. That is your specific intelligence. So I want to say here one thing. कि while you will revise anything again, so that will create your G intelligence. And in competitive exam, G intelligence ही काम आता है. Why? Because आप PT का एग्जाम दे रहे हैं. Suppose you are giving the exam of PT, आपको 30 सेकेंड to 35 to 40 सेकेंड के अंदर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है. 35 to 40 सेकेंड. तो 30 से 40 सेकेंड में आप आंसर कैसे लिख सकते हो? By lot of revision. Revision is very important. Even I have seen many aspirants, they make some good notes, but they don't have time for revision. Revision नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा. And third is ask your doubt. Ask your doubt. As we know कि हम स्कूल में पढ़े, कॉलेज में भी पढ़ा, then we are going to coaching. अब कोचिंग भी पढ़ ली, इसके बाद कहां पर जाओगे आप? This is the last option. So it is important for us at the last option we must ask our doubt. हमें अपने डाउट्स को जरूर पूछ लेना चाहिए. We must ask our doubt. As we know, more study, more confusion. No study, no confusion. Actually, whenever you ask your doubt, it means your brain is active in that things. Your mind is working on that things. And if your mind is accepting that things directly, it means your all dimension, all sphere of your mind is not working. So it is important. Ask your doubt. And fourth is practice the question paper. Practice the question paper. Why practicing question paper is important? Because we know practicing question paper will help us in time management, first thing, and second, it will help us to know what kind of questions will come in our exam. So that practicing question paper is important, and many benefits are there of practicing question paper. Time management होगा, and आपका क्वेश्चन का नेचर आ जाएगा, और कुछ माइंड एक्सरसाइज करता है, तो that will goes in our memory. वो हमारी मेमोरी में जाता है और फीड होता है, वो अच्छे है. That will benefit it. So I will repeat these four corner rules. Number one, make a good notes, do revision, ask doubts, practice question paper. So these four corner rules are important for preparation.